Plant life. Temperate grasslands are generally treeless. So we have already learned that in temperate grassland or in temperate region there is no tree. This is because these regions receive low or moderate rainfall which make it difficult for tall trees to grow. So why there is no tree at all in the temperate region? Because these regions receive very low or moderate rainfall, and as there is less rainfall in this region, it is very difficult for tall trees to grow. Vegetation in the temperate zone varies greatly from one region to another. So vegetation, that means agriculture, in the temperate zone varies, that means different. They, in some region they are grown in a large quantity, but in some region in the temperate zone the cultivation is very low, so it varies from one region to the another region of the temperate zone. The grasses help to reduce erosion and conserve water. So as these regions are fully covered with grasses, so it helps in reduce the erosion. That means erosion means um, you can say erosion, the meaning of erosion is that the topmost layer of the soil are washed away by the rainfall or wind. So as there is presence of grasses in this region, the grasses of the roots hold the soil, and due to which it prevents from the soil erosion and conserve water. Much of the prairies have now been cleared for agriculture. So much of the prairies region, it has been cleared. Why? For the agriculture purpose. Crops such as wheat and corn are mainly grown by farmers. So what are the different types of crops which are grown by the farmers? They are wheat and corn. Raygrass, buffalo grass, foxtail, and alfalfa are some common grasses found in these regions. So these are the different types of grasses which are present in these regions.